Commonly known as love handles, the fat that collects around the stomach is a result of poor overall health. And since we are all about tiny cholis and backless blouses, here are 4 easy exercises to melt and tone that muffin top right here and now. Start by lying on your back. Next, bring your knees to a 90-degree angle and keep your feet flat on the ground. Keep your arms straight down on your sides. Make sure your head's in a neutral position and crunch forward, and with your right hand touch your right heel. Return to the starting position and repeat the same with your left hand. You have completed 1 repetition. This exercise is overall great for your entire abdominal area and great to work out your obliques. Do 2 sets of 15 reps each. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Make sure your hands are not clasped together. Now lift your shoulders and upper back off the ground and engage your abs. At the same time, move your left elbow towards your right knee so that they meet in the middle, keeping your left leg straight. Next, do the same with your right elbow and left knee. Continue to do it quickly while still keeping your upper back off the ground. Do 2 sets of 10 reps each. This exercise is the most effective when you're trying to tone up your sides. Lie on your back with your legs extended and place your hands under your lower back for support. Now lift your upper body and your legs a few inches off the floor. Keeping your legs straight, raise one leg higher than the other and then switch. Continue alternating between the legs for about a minute or so and then relax. Do 2 to 3 times. This move is designed for your hip flexors, which will help you see a significant improvement in your appearance. Start in an elbow plank position with your elbows bent and feet hip-width distance apart. Rotate your hips to the right and dip your body almost to the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat the same on your left. Do 2 sets of 10 each. This exercise strengthens your abs, obliques and lower back and also helps trim down your waist. This workout is effective as it targets all the required areas, but be sure to maintain a healthy diet alongside it as well, because as you know, abs are also made in the kitchen. Now that you've got the recipe for them, all you've got to do is cook them up. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.